Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carissa. I am a beauty blogger, but I'm mostly on Instagram, which will be linked down below, so make sure to go follow me, check it out, all that stuff. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe so you can see all my videos. Today, I'm going to be doing this makeup look for you guys. I'm going to be doing my foundation and everything using the Element of Surprise palette from ColourPop, which I received in my BoxyCharm a little while ago and never got to try, so I'm going to be trying it for you guys today. And also, I'm going to be trying out my first ever PR makeup that was sent to me. This is the Mia Adora Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Liner. So I'm going to be trying this out today as well, and giving you guys a little review on it. So if you want to see how I got this look using these, make sure to keep watching. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to jump right into the video. So my skin is already moisturized, so I'm going to go right into primer. I'm going to be taking the Becca First Light Primer. You guys probably know by now that this is one of my faves. I wasn't going to do my foundation and everything. I was just going to do my eyes basically. But I know you guys really like when I do my foundation, so that's what we're doing today. Next, I'm going to be taking my Porefessional Primer. And I'm just going to apply this where my pores are really large. So yeah, we're moving in September, and the place we live now is all right, and it worked for us when we first moved down here. By we, I mean me and my boyfriend. I don't think I've ever really talked about my boyfriend, but we live together. So it was good for us when we first moved down here because it was inexpensive and it had the basic things we needed. It wasn't like anything, you know. But throughout our time here, there's a lot of things we don't like about this apartment complex. So we're moving in September, and there's some things that we don't have now that for the next place we have to have it. So one of the big things is a washer dryer, because right now where we live, they just have laundry facilities, but the apartments themselves don't have washer dryer in them. They don't even have connections, because we're fine with going somewhere that has connections and we'll just buy a washer dryer used or something. It's just really frustrating because the other day, for the first time, it's never happened since we lived here. We've been here almost a year. Someone actually stole my clothes out of the dryer, so that was a thing. And after that, I was like, we are done living here, because I am just, no, you don't steal people's clothes out of the dryer. That's fucked up. And again, if you're gonna have, I'm using the It Cosmetics CC cream and my beauty sponge from Real Techniques, but I feel if you're gonna have laundry facilities, you should have cameras in there for that reason. It's so easy to steal people's stuff. And there's a couple other things, our apartment now is mainly carpeted floors, and we don't want that anymore. We want tile or wood or whatever, just not carpet. And what else? Oh, here they shut off the water whenever they want, and they don't warn you. And she warned me when we moved in that sometimes they turn off the water when they're fixing a leak. But I thought they would give us a heads up right before they did it. No, they don't. So, okay, in the Revolution Makeup Concealer and Fine Concealer. Using this under my eyes and any blemishes. I was breaking out my forehead really bad, as you probably saw. It's going away now, but it was ridiculous. What was going on, I don't know. If you guys want to see a moving series where I talk about the logistics of moving and stuff, and you know, being young and moving, we're just renting, we're not looking to buy anything. I like renting because I just when something goes wrong, you can just call maintenance and have them come fix it. You don't have when you buy, obviously if anything goes wrong, it's your problem. So next I'm gonna take my Airspun powder. What else is new? I literally love this powder. I don't think I could ever I don't think I'll ever even find a high-end powder that I like better. Prove me wrong. Put in the comments any really great loose powders that you like. And I like translucent powders, which this one says it's translucent, but sometimes I feel it adds color. I live in Florida, if you guys don't know by now, and literally, why does my skin look like that? I feel because my face is sweating, the makeup is not going on correctly. I have the air on, but it's hot. It's real hot. Florida got me fucked up. Alright, I'm gonna take my butter bronzer Also, super exciting. Obviously, this is the first video I'm doing it, but I got sent my first, like, PR product. They're the first company that's ever sent me a product for free. And I also have a few more companies that are doing that, so I'm really excited because it's like we making money moves, okay? I just like turned into Cardi B for a second. Moving on to highlight. I've talked about this highlight on my blog, but I've never actually shown it in a video, and I wanted to show it because I think it's so beautiful and it doesn't get enough attention. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay highlight in the color Stunner. It's super pretty, but it's even prettier when it goes on. So I'm just taking this little brush. I've kind of been in like a brow funk lately. I don't know what it is because I definitely need to get my brows done, but they're not that bad. But for some reason, I struggle to do them every day lately. I don't know what is going on, but taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in the color medium brown. I was using soft brown, I think, but I just felt like it wasn't dark enough for me. If you guys follow me on my blog, you'll know the other day I posted about this palette. This is the Element of Surprise palette by ColourPop. So this is just an eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. The colors in here are amazing. I love ColourPop's eyeshadows because they're so pigmented. I got this in my BoxyCharm a little while ago and never did anything with it, so today we gonna do something with it. I'm gonna start with this color right here and use that as a transition shade. I'm gonna be taking this e.l.f. brush, actually. This is an e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna take this color, which is the color Labyrinth. It has been so long since I've done a makeup look too. Like lately, I have just been not feeling doing like a lot of makeup. I've been just keeping it very natural. Okay, this is a little more like pinky salmon colored than I thought it was gonna be, and it's kind of like bright. Like you can probably tell. It's like, it's really pretty. It's just not what I expected it to be. I'm gonna take this color, this like shimmery brown color down here. It's hard to see the shimmer. Oh no! One of them fell out! Oh, rip. Oh my god, one of the shadows fell out. Fuck, I suck. Alright, I'm gonna take this shimmery brown color. It's the color Sea Stars. Take this more tapered brush. This is a number 7 from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so there is quite a bit of fallout, but it's nothing too crazy. Why is my eyeshadow clumping up? Now I'm starting to kind of think it is the palette, because I don't know. But it blends really nicely. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like clumping up in the corner there. And I'm not sure why. I'm not really sure why it's doing that, but... Okay, I really want to try ColourPop's new foundation because Nicole Concilio said like really good things about it, and I really like value her opinion. Except there was one thing that I tried and I did not like, and she liked it, and I was like, agree to disagree, Nicole. Now I'm gonna bring this same color under my lash line. I'm gonna go in with this color. So this is the color Feels. So that is the eye makeup. I just put the color Rayon, which is this pink color, in my inner corner and on my brow bone, and I am feeling myself. So the reason we're all here is for this. This is the product I was talking about earlier, the first ever company to send me something, you know, just for me to review or whatever. I mean, I know I did Influencer, but that's more of like a program. This company actually like reached out to me and was like, hey, would you want to try this and review it? So this is the Mia Adora Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Liner. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and yeah, that's all there is to it. It's a felt tipped liner. So we're going to be doing a wing with this today. So try it out. Okay, so it's definitely super pigmented. Alright, so there's the first wing. Okay, so I do like this eyeliner because you can touch it up with your fingers, and I really appreciate eyeliners like that because it just makes it easier, because like some of them stay really well, but then like the Kat Von D tattoo liner, like it stays really well, but once you put it on, you cannot move it. Like you cannot get that shit off your face. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I was gonna try this again. So I got the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara a while ago, and I tried it once and didn't like it, and I haven't touched it since, but I was thinking about giving it another chance maybe, just because I was really hyped when it came out. Like people were like, oh my god, best mascara ever, but I guess I'll try it again. We'll see. Like, I just don't think it does anything. No! No! Oh, fucking Now I'm taking the Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna go over that first mascara because I did not like it. So now I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. I don't know if I like this. I think it's a little too peachy for this look. It would have gone nicely with that transition shadow that I put on. I think this needs a gloss, so I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie liquid gloss, or just gloss, in the color Shy. Set my face using the Smashbox primer water first. Take the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. This is the finished look. This is what I came up with using this and trying out the Mia Adora liquid liner. Thoughts on it? The liquid liner, I loved this. I think it went on really nicely. It gives a lot of pigment. We'll have to see like how it lasts throughout the day. I will post on my Instagram with that information once the night is over and I see how this, you know, made it through the day. This, I love this palette. I think it's beautiful and I can't wait to do more looks with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not following me on my blog, it will be linked down below, so go do it. Instagram linked below as well. Go follow, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!